ẹ máa fún ní excuse. Ṣé wọ́n kan igi mọ́ yín létí nígbà tí Jòsí sọ pé ìgbà tí wọ́n fi ń ná yẹn òun fẹ́ lọ bá ọba, òun fẹ́ lọ bá jóyè, olórí burúkú Jòsí. Ṣó dìgbà tó bá tó lọ bá ọba ni kò tó kí àwọn ayé tó gbọ́ ẹ. Wọ́n ná ọmọ, wọ́n dẹ̀ fìyà jẹ ọmọ lójú ẹ báyìí. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fìyà jẹ ọmọ lójú ẹ. Bella Shmurda gan tó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ Mobad ó lọ ṣe interview on behalf of Mobad. Ó lọ ṣe interview. Jòsí, èyí tí Mobad kú tán ló mà tó lọ ń ṣe interview. Àṣé wọ́n ti ẹ̀ mọ̀ ó mọ̀ náà lé ibi tán ti ń ṣe interview. Kí ló ṣe tó lọ ṣe àwọn interview yẹn nígbà tí wọ́n fìyà jẹ ọmọ ẹ lọ́wọ́? Failed father. Joseph Aloba, you are a failed father. Bí Mọ́mì Abistoch wọ́n ṣe sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan pé ọmọ 14 years old ó kúrò nínú ilé ẹ̀, ó kúrò lábẹ́ òrùlé ẹ̀, and you still have the guts láti máa sọ fún wa pé failed father ni ẹ, pé bàbá dáadáa ni ẹ. Ìwọ fúnra rẹ̀ Jòsí, ìwọ ló máa sọ fún wa pé ọmọ yẹn lọ ṣe yahoo. Jòsí, ó bí ọmọ. Èmi ò tí àwọn wìnrìn tí wọ́n tó kù lẹ̀ yẹn ká agree pa àwọn yóò tẹ̀tí tó college age. Bọ̀ àwọn mẹ́ta tá mọ̀, èwo nínú wọn ló rán ní university Joseph Aloba. Èwo nínú àwọn ọmọ mẹ́ta tí wọ́n dàgbà yìí ló rán ní university. Kí Mobad tó kú, Blessing ṣáà ní first one. Torí tó bá máa sọ wà ló lọ gbowó owó gbọ́múlé láńtà kan fún Mobad láti lọ sí school. Owó wo ló gbà fún Blessing? Ipa wo ló effort wo ló make pé kí Blessing fi lọ sí school? Joseph Aloba, ọmọ yẹn wá sọ nínú interview pé tóun bá ti pè é yín àdúrà, tóun bá ti pè é wàá sọ pé kóun lọ bá lọ́ọ̀yà. Mi máa gbọ́ rí mímọ̀ ríru yèrè Olódùmarè bí àṣọ Ọ̀túnba. Mi máa gbọ́ ilé rí láyé mi kẹ́. Ọmọ bíbí inú ẹ̀ ó ń pè ẹ́ torí àwọn wèrè, torí ẹ́pìnì tán dá fún ẹ. Jòsí, níbo ló fi ọpọlọ ẹ sí nígbà táwọn Yorùbá sọ pé ọmọ ẹni lọ̀la ẹni? Joseph Aloba, ọmọ ẹ ń pè ẹ́ bóun fẹ́ bá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀, òun sọ pé kó lọ bá lọ́ọ̀yà. Jòsí, ìgbẹ̀yìn ayé ẹ ò ní dá o. Èmi ò sórí, èmi ò fẹ́ kó kú o. Ọlọ́run rínú mi fẹ́ kó kú. Torí tó bá kú ó máa dùn mí gan, o. Mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kó jìyà. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe, ó máa jẹ ìyà yẹn. Ó máa jìyà gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe, ó máa jìyà. Ọmọ wà ní mọ́ṣúárì ń bẹ̀ o. Kò kàn ẹ́. Ẹ kú àtẹ̀mọ́ra. Ọ̀túnba ní ẹ kú àtẹ̀mọ́ra oṣù kìíní, ẹ kú àtẹ̀mọ́ra oṣù. Joseph Aloba, ẹ kú àtẹ̀mọ́ra mà ti ń lọ bí ọdún 2 báyìí. Ó dẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n á máa try. Àtẹ̀gbá wọn tó ń sọ pé kí àwọn family come together. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Níbo lẹ ti rí ìwà Jòsí kankan tó fi hàn wípé Jòsí fẹ́ bring family together? Pẹ̀lú bí Jòsí ṣe ń ṣe. Life ara ti ẹ̀ gangan ò wà together. Life Jòsí gangan. His own personal life is not even together. Torí tí life ẹ̀ bá wà together ni. Jòsí, ìyàwó mélòó òun ló bímọ fún ẹ? Are they all with you? Torí ẹni tí life ẹ̀ bá wà together, tó bá pé ìyàwó 10 ló bímọ fún, ó yẹ káwọn ìyàwó 10 yẹn kó wà pẹ̀lú wọn now. Are they all together? Are your children together? How is your life together? En tó fẹ́ kó family jọ nìyẹn o. En tí life ara ti ẹ̀ gangan life ẹ̀ wà together fúnra rẹ̀. Ọpọlọ ẹ̀ gan wà, ọpọlọ ẹ̀ scatter ni. En tó fẹ́ mú nǹkan wà, en tó fẹ́ mú life wà together nìyẹn. Bọ́bọ́ Ṣẹ́gun yẹn sọ́nà pé mélòó nìyí. It's true. Mélòó nìyí nínú family, gbogbo yín báyìí 30 mọ̀ báyìí. Nínú family yẹn ẹ̀ tí pé 20. Joseph Aloba, ìwọ ló dẹ̀ wá mú ẹsẹ̀ tó fi ń tán gbogbo ẹ̀ tó fi ń spread everybody. You have been spreading so that torí owó iná ni. Torí owó. You don't know how to bring your family together. Torí owó. And torí pé o ṣàfẹ́ kí gbogbo fingers kó point to Wùmí. Pé Wùmí náà ṣáà ni. Ọmọ yẹn lẹ́lẹ́dàá títí ẹ̀ náà. Ó lẹ́lẹ́dàá tiẹ̀. So continue. Awo ní bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kó stop. But nǹkan tẹ́mi fẹ́ sọ fẹ́yìn wèrè yìí ni wípé ẹ stop láti máa disturb cyberspace. Gbogbo òṣì tẹ́ bá jọ ń ṣe pẹ̀lú very dirty boy on your papa pocket. Ẹ má máa disturb àwa mọ́ pẹ̀lú gbogbo òṣì yẹn. Wèrè Bukky Jesse ó máa sẹ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó yẹn náà ṣáà ni. Ó ti yé wa náà. Ó yé wa mọ̀ pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó òun lẹ fi pull crowd. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lẹ fi pull crowd torí tí ò bá kí ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tó gbé picture jáde pé òkè wọ òun ti lóyún òun ti ṣe o. Ọmọ yẹn ni Bukky Jesse. Ẹni tí ò nírú ẹni. Ìyá ẹlẹ́wọ̀n. Ṣó yẹ kó máa gbẹ́nu ẹ sírò àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí pàápàá. Ìwọ wá ní ọkọ ẹ̀ yẹn every time ló ń kọrin fún ìyàwó ẹ̀. Olórí burúkú ara tiẹ̀ Bukky Jesse. Ìwọ ìbá tiẹ̀ réyàn kan kọrin fún ẹ. Ṣáyé ẹ máa rí báyìí ni. Ṣáyé ẹ máa bàjẹ́ tó bó ṣe bàjẹ́ yìí. Ó ń kọrin. Ó ti mú ọmọ yẹn. Ó ti change ẹ̀ sí Muslim. So mẹ́lọ Ọlọ́run wí o. Kí ló kàn ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀? Ṣé yẹn ni ikú tó pa Mohbad ní Bukky Jesse? Orí ẹ̀ burú gan ni o. Ó yá wèrè gan o. Ṣé yẹn ni ikú tó pa Mohbad tá ń wá? Tóró ṣá ti sọ pé o ti fẹ̀mí ẹ̀ lélẹ̀. Ìwọ tó nǹkan tó fẹ̀mí ẹ̀ lélẹ̀ fún yẹn ló yẹ kó face now. Kí ló kàn ẹ́ pẹ̀lú life ọmọ ọlọ́mọ? Ẹlẹ́yà ẹ̀ títí ẹ̀ rí bá. Ọmọ òun lẹ tún gbé hánu. Ó dẹ̀ sọ pé òun wá justice. How? Báwo ló ṣe jọra wọn? Báwo ló ṣe jọra wọn? Ẹ̀yin tí ò yẹ kẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ níta rárá. Ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ máa sọ pé ẹ̀yin rẹ̀ ń bí. Torí tíyàn bá lóun ò ní sọ̀rọ̀. Bí irú yín ṣe ẹ̀kàn máa jẹ́ kéèyàn máa ṣẹ lọ́hùn ni. Ìwọ tí ò ní ọmọ àmúyangàn kankan nínú nílé ayé ẹ̀ Bukky Jesse. Ìwọ ló wá fẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ Priscilla. Orí ẹ ti burú. Orí ẹ burú gan o. Ìwọ Yomi náà. Ọ̀rọ̀ 3 second video yìí náà ló ṣe ń sunkún sí. Ẹ múra sí. Àwa ò ní kẹ́ má sunkún. Bọ̀ nǹkan táwa fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ ní wípé ọpọlọ wa pé. So bí ẹ ṣe ń ṣe gbogbo òṣì tẹ́ ń ṣe yẹn gbogbo ẹ̀ àwa ń rí gbogbo games yẹn gbogbo ẹ̀ là ń rí. Tẹ́lòmí nínú wa ò bá sọ̀rọ̀ àráyé ni. Tí a bá sọ̀rọ̀ kò ń ṣe pé a mọ òṣì tẹ́ ń ṣe. Gbogbo òṣì tẹ́ ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ la mọ̀. Ṣé wá rí wọ Jòsí? Èmi ò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kó family together o. Àwọn tí wọ́n kàn ń sọ̀rọ̀ family àwọn lànà wọn kàn máa ń ṣe mí pé ṣé àbí ẹwẹ́nu lẹ̀kẹ́ ẹwẹ́nu ọkọ náà. Ẹni tó yẹ kó jẹ́ olórí ẹbí tó yẹ kó àwọn èèyàn mọ́ kó kó àwọn èèyàn mọ́ra kó family wọlé. Òun gangan lórí olóṣì náà. Èyí kó máa sọ pé kí family come together. How? Ṣé Wùmí tó jẹ́ pé ó lọ fẹ́ wọn ń bẹ̀ ní ṣé òun ló fẹ́ bring family together? Torí mi ò mọ nǹkan tí ò báwo náà ṣe máa ń sọ Yorùbá yẹn. Tẹ́ ẹ̀kan máa project nǹkan tí ò lè ṣẹlẹ̀. Jòsí gangan tó jẹ́ pé tí Jòsí bá jáde lénìí tó bá jáde pa ó dá o. Mo ti gbà fọ́lọ́run o. Bye o. gbogbo wa o family o àjàmọ́ o nǹkan ẹ ṣe o everybody máa dákẹ́ ni but torí pé ó ń dùn mọ́ because mo rántí pé ìjòsí ó ti sọ́rí náà pé ìjà tí wọ́n ń jà yẹn gangan òun ni òun like so báwo ló ṣe wá fẹ́ kó family wọlé ó ń dùn mọ́ ni náà ẹni tó ń gbọ́mọ ẹ̀ ṣépè lójú ayé ẹ̀ tí ó sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé òun ló wá fẹ́ tún family ṣe ó máa tú kánà ni náà bọ̀ ọ̀tẹ̀ tẹ fẹ́ dì òun lẹ ṣe ń fi rí kò ń ṣe pé ẹ rí o bọ̀ torí ọ̀tẹ̀ tó ti wà nínú ìgbésí ayé yín òun lẹ ṣe ń ṣe bíi pé ẹ mọ game tí Josi ń play you all know it but ìgbà tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin náà ń cash out ṣé irú confinsing tó jẹ́ pé mi ì lè káyé pages confi tán lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì mi ì lè ka wọn pages ẹ̀ wọ́n máa send nǹkan míì sí mi báyìí máa tún ṣé confi náà ló tún ní page eléyìí irú àwọn yìí ò lè fẹ́ kó tán náà kò lè fẹ́ jẹ́ kó tán because ìkòkò ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀ nìyẹn ṣé ẹni tó jẹ́ pé ṣàgó ló fi ń ṣe òun ló fi ń jẹun ẹ wá sọ pé owó easy money tó ń rí náà online kò lè jẹ́ kó tán náà kò ní fẹ́ jẹ́ kó tán gbogbo games yìí gbogbo ẹ̀ la mọ̀ gbogbo games tẹ́ ń play gbogbo ẹ̀ la mọ̀ ṣé wá rí àwa wà ń bí fún yín àwa ń bí we are watching ló ṣì dédé ẹjọ́ ẹ máa jẹ́ kẹ́lòmí sọ̀rọ̀ jàre. ènìyàn burú ẹ má bínú ẹ bá wa play nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ play lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn.
Begin to point accusing finger on people. Now police they investigate. Now somebody will ask me, Mr. Ben, what is the case you are mentioning now got to do with mobad? Mobad faced a lot of trauma in his life. From the very time Mobad left the contract he has with Naira Marley, he has a problem. And it's normal in any industry when a contract ends and you don't want to stay, there is always a bad blood. And if it's not managed, it can turn into a nasty scenario. In this case, it is. Naira Marley himself came back to Nigeria from London with an intention. Please get me right. I'm not saying Naira Marley pie Mobad. Please do not say this is what I say. But Naira Marley was a gang member in London. Naira Marley returned to Nigeria to start his music career. He was doing this drill music that attract young people. Even sometimes some elderly mispriority men in Nigeria support Naira Marley music of shagging their pint under their waist and doing Naira Marley thing. I have no problem with his talent. I have no problem with his content. I have no problem with his music. He was doing well for himself, having returned back to Nigeria. But then they begin to add some kind of influence inside it. Gang affiliated kind of a setup in Lagos. It's Mobad. And they also use their influence and also their fan base, the Malians, to bully Mobad. It was not easy. Mobad was one of the most talented signee of Naira Marley record. Let us be very honest. Mobad was more talented than Zino. Zino is great. I love Zino. Zino can sing. But all of these were kind of playing, acting. Then they have Sam Larry. Sam Larry is a thug. Sam Larry works with the Lagos thugs and tout, which we typically call area boys. They work with MC Oluomo and they basically tout. They lack education and they believe that intimidation is the order of the day. Now, it was not easy for Mobad. Mobad was cancelled by Naira Marley. Mobad was not being associated with by the industry plugs. They were eliminating him slowly. It was not easy for Mobad. And it's normal in the music industry. You have to understand. Now, let me just bring your memory back, refresh your memory to the recent event that happened. When Asake left Olamide, if you notice, a lot of people was trying to go against Asake. A lot of people. They call themselves YBL. Asake, you cannot make it. Asake, Olamide made you. Why are you leaving? Olamide did not complain. Olamide did not. The Nigerians, overzealous people, they tried to cancel Asake. They were insulting Asake. People were owning ring light to analyze Asake new haircut, Asake new tattoo, and they are calling him ungrateful. And people were plugging up. They were ganging up against him. And Asake family also tried to take advantage of the situation and begin to extort Asake, his father, the sisters, his ex-girlfriend, his baby mother. Everybody want to jump on Asake. And this is why I will always respect Olamide. Olamide Bado is the GOAT of Nigerian music industry. Olamide kept quiet. Olamide never issued a public statement to say he's dissatisfied with Asake leaving. Olamide bless Asake and say, go and multiply. Go and make great music. Go and produce whatever you want. Go and fulfill your destiny. In the case of Mobad, it was not like that. Now, somebody will say maybe Olamide learned from what happened to Mobad case. No, Olamide has always been like that. Olamide is not a competitor. Olamide is an individual star. Olamide stands for himself. He knows exactly what he wants, and he has always stand like that. Olamide is not affiliated to any gang members. Olamide is a classic man. He understands a relationship of a business has to be dealt with by the business, not by the street. Olamide did not talk. And I saw bloggers owning ring light to condemn Asake for leaving Olamide. And I saw their influence. But Olamide, what did he do? He met Asake in LA and they posted the video. Okay? And then the next thing, Asake and Wizkid collaborate. That means Asake is not being cancelled. Maturity took over. The next thing that happened again, Asake and Olamide collaborate. It is a business disagreement, ladies and gentlemen. It has nothing to do with anything. And today, Asake music is prospering. Olamide has returned back to number one in Nigeria. Number one in Nigeria. The work of Olamide is a piece of art. Just imagine if Olamide would have been spending all of his time fighting Asake. Who could have believed that Olamide will return back to number one in Nigeria? Begin to point accusing.
Screen record nìyẹn. Àdèmórúkọ ẹni náà.
VDM, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, you this manipulative idiots. That group was created for just one purpose, and that group was created for them to be able to help Mobad's family and as well to get justice for Mobad. And then notice that you are not but a manipulative and a deceptive liar that wants to change narrative and redirect the attention of the whole situation. That group was created for good cause, Not like you that came to Lagos to eat jollof rice and you started saying rubbish. There is nothing you want to say to us. There is not what your so-called poor rodents can believe any of your manipulation game. But there is nothing you want to say to someone like me that is going to even move me. That group was created for nothing but a good purpose. You are the one doing all this damage control for Naira Marley and Samilari because you have one or two things to gain from the whole situation. And the reality about it is this: Naira Marley didn't kill Mobad. We all know that. Samilari bullied Mobad. We have evidence and we have video to prove that. Stop trying to sell these guys to us like they are not menace to the society. There is nothing you want to say about Dre. If no be David, if no be your Sapolo, where he head no correct. Normally, you go fit talk for where Dre they talk. Dre wey buy Benz, wey abandon am, wey drop am, you no collect plate number, wey be say him friends they drive am up and down. You go fit talk for where Dre they talk, normal level. If no be your Sapolo, wey be say you go one day pretend make them think say na him be good guy everywhere, and then they do chop up and down. If you all remember when this thing happened, everywhere was hot. Morgan came out. Everyone in DMW, they all came out. That was when this group was created. That group was created for good purpose. Go back to when Morgan was talking about how crazy them Naira, them Samuel, of them are, the kind of rubbish they are always doing, and how it has to stop. How Morgan was saying, first of all, what gave Samilari the audacity to walk into someone's set to disrupt that set? Are you an artist? Are you a director? You know, Morgan was pissed. Morgan was vocal about this whole situation. If you all can still remember then, everyone in DMW were boiling that no, it shouldn't be Mobad. Because they know in one way or the other, this kid has been going through one of the two things from these people, but it is not in their position to get involved because Mo was not their record label mates, neither was he signed to any of those guys. That was when this group was created. Stop making it sound as if they are interested in you or this thing. This whole conversation popped up because you kept going here, you kept going there, distracting people and painting bad narrative and negative narrative. That was why your name was involved. If I was in their situation as well, I would use my power, my personality and everything to get you invited by the police for painting bad narrative and negative narrative, and as well saying things that the Nigerian police never said. The only thing you're good at in your life is to go around and spread wrong narratives. That's why nobody wants to have anything to do with you. You talk to them yourself, and the next thing you're bringing out screenshots, trying to make irrelevant points, trying to make yourself relevant in the society by manipulating and jamming the heads of people together. And the next thing, your so-called poor, no education, having low-life bastard followers become. He's trying to make the country better. He wants to meet with the president. Meet with the president, woggy you there. Do these miscreants, no job having useless idiots. You can't account for 67 million, you can't account for 20 million, you can't give proper accountability of why the EFCC picked you up, but you are quick to put your nose into people's business to try to bring them down. You have just one job to do in your life, and that job is to go around and manipulate and perpetrate all sorts of lies, and as well dish out information that the police didn't dish out. To be coming out, the police PRO, you'll be sounding as if you are in charge of the police and the police was listening to you. Shebi, you came here, you came to tell us that Mr. Egbedo is your father. He said you can come. Do you think that now gives you the right to go up and down? Is this how they do activism? Can't you see Showore? Have you seen what Showore has been doing lately? If you are so interested in cleaning the country, why is it so hard for you to team up with Sheum that said you should come and join his party so that you guys can do something together? Have you been seeing the way Showore has been diplomatic with the way he has been moving without manipulating or spreading lies about people? I am not surprised. I've told people, when a man decides to say, I will touch another man's penis and suck it or do whatsoever to it so that the person can ejaculate and I can make money, you think such person has integrity to talk about other people's business? I will rob a bank before I touch another man's dick. You this shameless twats. Right? And before you talk, all those bastards that follows you up and down, anytime I look at them, it's either they are using one itel Android phone, all those miscreants. They will now come and now be saying VDM is doing that. What are you doing except lying, manipulating people? Normal. You go fit up for where they talk when you know they mad. But David don't sell in people cheap for cheap attention. How is it helping? How is you being a loyalist? Because David is the loyalist to VDM, not the other way around. How has it helped you to win awards? How has it helped you to have a sold out show? How? You kept, he likes making everything look as if it's about him. I am the guy, I am the this, that. You are not going to sell these people back to us. No one is going to accept. If Naira Marley have anything to say, Naira, go to media house, do proper interview. As for you, Zinoliski as well, you need to tender an apology. You need to explain yourself to make people understand that because you and Naira, you and Mobad are in the same record label doesn't make you brothers. He is a colleague. He was a colleague when he was alive. Because most people don't understand this part of the entertainment industry and the business part of it. You need to let people know that you respect Mobad when he was alive, you respect after he's no more. If you had made any mistake, if you and Naira Marley's approach was wrong on how you treat everything, you are sorry. And Naira Marley should also do same thing. This guy is only making things worse for Naira Marley. For every time he comes out to talk, you can sense manipulation from far. Do this nothing but lying, no self-esteem, having idiots. Fashion sense, zero. Swag, zero. And before we talk, where you don't reach, where DDM don't reach, you never reach here. I don't want to reach there. I don't want to reach anywhere by sucking people prick up and down or touching man's penis up and down. I want to be where I am going to be so that in the nearest future, when I talk about my success, it's not going to be attached to, I was giving blowjob, I was saying, my dick is hard, come and fuck me now. Shameless swats, jobless idiots. Making money with content, monetizing it, coming up with all sort of distraction. Come with your so-called fucking lawyer. We are fucking ready for you. This guy is just too manipulative. I pity person wey go marry you for house because you no fit marry person for house. They go marry you keep for house. Now why they say you have to sell your dick and do all those things? You made it a business, and a person like you go come work on the talk about integrity. Get a life. If you can't get some other one from Temu, only say no go last because everything from Temu is cheap and fake. With this product of I don't even want to talk about you anymore. VDM.
So ẹja ya bàrà sí bòmí.
Oh, lo, Ayomi today. This is God design. Forever you be mine. Yeah. Priscilla, Juma, congratulations to you guys. Grandma, Yabojo, a big congratulations to you, Mama. Hey, Grandma, already loaded. Well done. Like, wait, hey, Priscilla, what do you say me will watch us can't do like this? They no can't tell you it's been 1 year. Go and born. God, I never see perfection. This one the first perfection why I don't see like for social media. First perfection. I never see like nobody see where to poke. They don't see even people where they say, hey, she was pregnant. I said it. She was pregnant. That's why the wedding was rushed. The wedding was not rushed. Shut up. If you get money 6 months, so it's not a rush. When you have money to sort out everything, 6 months is not a rush. At least you know say the people need that. Let's say 3 months to take so cloth, get ready. Yeah, you have to inform people. You understand what I mean? The wedding was not rushed. Oh, she was pregnant. That's why they rushed the wedding. Nah lie. Wedding need at least 3 to 6 months to do pa. Do you understand what I mean? Because people go so cloth, people go ready, people go put work aside, people go do things. Do you understand what I mean? Like, it wasn't rushed. I said she was pregnant. Belle for comment. Yeah. belle for come maybe 4 months or 5 months. I don't know how many months you still say it. I think say they don't already they plan wedding. And belle enter, yeah, we worry you. We say they do wedding for you. We worry you. Shut up. No calculate. What you they calculate? What are you calculating? Wish them congratulations, may you waka. What did you calculate? We worry you. Pass and be happy. You know, see we a poke. You know, go see something talk. I be happy, grandma. Hey. How you want to explain to your neighbor landlord say, this is grandma. And no, this is grandma. Yes, this is grandma. This is grandma's beautiful daughter. And grandma is soon to be a grandmother. You know, because the daughter is pregnant. I'll be like, sorry, grandma, yeah, grandma. Yabo Ojo is grandma. Yeah, you want to explain. You go express, you go tired, no evidence. I am so happy, honestly. I never see perfection where you not see where a pool hole like. There's no way to poke. You want to poke it? There's no way for you to poke. Be happy, congratulate them, and just go by your way. Give them congratulate them, okay? And go by your way. Thank you so much for coming. I said she was pregnant, keep it to yourself. You didn't say it. You too, go and carry belly. Go and do your own. Go to the usual page where they go they watch womb. Go there. Yeah, it's not for you, okay? Thank you very much for coming. Here we are happy. Ayomi today. If she born her husband go enter studio. Hey, release one song. Boa. Hey. This is God design. Whatever you be mine. Which one that one go be? This is God creation. Whatever. This is God creation. Forever you be mine. Yeah. Ayomi today. Na. Ayomi today. This is God design. Forever you be mine. I'm so happy. Be happy. Live talk. Yeah. Thank you so much. You are welcome. We appreciate you. And thank you for the prediction and everything. And see, the mama tell us say, make you know the jump because of the we know. Thank you very much. Not be only you want get. I do. Thank you. Just wish them congratulations. May they go and score. What's it? Go. You see, they go. Get it. Yeah. Come and put off finish. They go. Care. They go. Get it. Oh.
bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ọba mi Èdùmàrè ló ń dá ìpè padà nípa inú ire nípa ìdúrótì nípa ìsìn lótìtọ́ àti lódodo ló lè gbọ́ ohun aṣàṣẹ ká máa wí.
àbí ẹ̀yin kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ̀ ìyá òbó ń jẹ yín nítorí pé kí ni ẹ pé ní bọ́dì mọ́sọ́ ẹ̀ lè dúpọ̀ dáadáa iye ń jẹ yín ohun tẹ́ nídà ti lò lélẹ̀ ajẹ́bìdán ẹ ló kẹ ríṣẹ́ wò ẹ ló kẹ confirm ẹ̀ mo sọ fún yín tẹ́ bá rí ibi tẹ́ ti fẹ́ test ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá pàdé mi ní títì ìbàjẹ́ express ẹ test ẹ̀ lára mi ẹ wá ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́ bá pàdé mi nílé ẹ má test ẹ̀ lára mi torí màá gbẹ̀mí yín máa dóyín pa ohun tẹ́ nídìí rèé títí ni kẹ́ ti test ẹ̀ lára mi tẹ́ bá wá fẹ́ test ẹ̀ lára mi ẹ lọ test ẹ̀ lára ìyàwó láńlọ́ọ̀dù yín àbí ìyàwó ọ̀gá yín níbi iṣẹ́ ẹ test ẹ̀ lára wọn ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ yín ti dayọ̀ obìnrin fi mí ṣakọ kò ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́ obìnrin kọ̀yìn sílẹ̀ kò ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́ wọ́n lọ gbádùn ara wọn níta kò ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́ wọ́n fọ̀bẹ ẹ̀yìn jẹ yín níṣu ó ti dópin ajẹ́bìdó gbogbo ẹ̀yin dádì mi orí tẹ́ fi ṣèwé ló ṣì wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀tẹ́ tí wọ́n 70-80 ẹ gbẹlura tẹ́ bá tiẹ̀ ní egungun mọ́ ó máa le dáadáa wọ́n á bá yín jókòó léṣò wọ́n á jókòó lé wọ́n á bá yín fìdírí ẹ gbádùn ara yín ẹ ké yá aláwọ̀ yá latif ẹ ké yá lò yá kí ló tún máa ń pè yẹn náà yá lò aláàbò lọ́ ṣe máa ń pè ẹ máa ké ó confam ẹ̀yin tí egungun bá wá sí wà ń bẹ̀ fúnra yín lẹ́mọ̀ ṣe kí ni lẹ́mọ̀ máa jáàkì wọn lọ jáàkì wọn bí ìgbà téèyàn bá jáàkì tírélà confam ni apáàtì òṣì ẹ wo wọ́n ní tó ògùn èèyàn bá dáyàn lójú èèyàn máa ń fi ọwọ́ ẹ̀ gbárí má sọ fún yín pé mi ò ní gbé ẹ̀ṣà wá fún yín lórí social media. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti ní jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí lára, ẹ wá lo oògùn jẹ̀dí, kò tẹ̀ sí ti jẹ̀dí ńlẹ̀ mọ́ náà. Kò sí. This is the only one tó ṣẹ́kù. Ó ti kó yẹn náà tán. Ó ti kó tán. Ẹ lo oògùn jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí, kẹ́ flush gbogbo jẹ̀dí yẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé ẹ̀yin máa lo 1 hour 30 minutes kára yín tó dìde, ṣé tẹ́ bá ti flush gbogbo jẹ̀dí kúrò body, tẹ́ bá lò báyìí, ẹ ní lo 10 minutes lọ́lọ́ 5 minutes. Kẹ́ má tẹ̀ tí ì rí kíní méjì yìí ni. Kẹ́ má tí ì rí Jerusalem ni ẹ máa dìde ni straight away bẹ́ẹ̀, because jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí tó pa gbogbo sex organs yín, ẹ ti flush ẹ̀ dànù. Ẹlòmíì gan oògùn jẹ̀dí ló nídìí, kò nídìí àti lo man power, ó pé lọ́la. Ẹlòmíì kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ́ àfikún ni, ẹ lò kẹ́ fi kún body ni. Kí iṣẹ́ yẹn wá di double, iṣẹ́ tẹ́ ti ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta kó wá di iṣẹ́ mẹ́rin. Bó ṣe jẹ́ ní ojú òní tiwa, ẹ̀yin ìyá mi bàbá mi, mo fi Elédùmarè bẹ̀ yẹn bá mi ṣe ètò yìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí make announcement. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ó ní dádì kan tí wọ́n ra irú lọ́wọ́ mi láti Amẹ́ríkà. Dádì mi tẹ́ bá wo show yẹn jọ̀ọ́ ẹ pè mí o. Mo fi Elédùmarè bẹ̀ yín. Amẹ́ríkà ni wọ́n ti ra irú lọ́wọ́ mi. Ìyàwó wọn gan ló bá wọn send owó yẹn tí ìyàwó wọn dẹ̀ sọ pé ṣé kìí ṣe owó jìbìtì lẹ ti fẹ́ ra jà. Tẹ́lẹ̀ sọ fún ìyàwó yín wípé Lady K ò kìí ṣe jìbìtì. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kẹ́ lè mọ̀ pé yín ni mò ń sọ. Òun mo ṣe sọ gbogbo ilé. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ contact mi. Mo fi Olódùmarè ọba tó dá ayé àti ọ̀run tó dé èmi àti yín. Mo fi bẹ̀ yín, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ pè mí, mi ní nọ́mbà yín mọ́ lọ́wọ́. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nọ́mbà ó ti bá WhatsApp nọ́mbà mi yẹn lọ. So bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. Now ẹ máa rí pé mò ń display àwọn iṣẹ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Tẹ́ bá gbọ́ wípé ogun ayé mi ṣẹ́, ọ̀rọ̀ mi dayọ̀, mo receive àwọn testimony kan lénìí. Inú mi dẹ̀ ń dùn. Post office mo wà tí mo ti ń receive àwọn testimony ayọ̀ yẹn. Ohun tèmi máa ń fẹ́ nìyẹn. That is why kì í ṣe owó ọjà tẹ́ fẹ́ rà yẹn ní kókó, especially spiritual items. Iṣẹ́ ìyanu Ọlọ́run tẹ́ máa fi nígbàgbọ́ nínú Jésù wípé yes, Jésù nìkan lọ́ba lórí ayé gbogbo. Ìyẹn ló jẹ́ Lady K lógún. Ṣé rí pẹ́ẹ̀fù tẹ́ wò lọ́wọ́ mi? Pẹ́ẹ̀fù back to sender ni. Adábí padà sórí oníbi, adá ọfà padà sórí ọlọ́fà. Ẹ kàn máa spray sára ni. Ṣé rí eléyìí tẹ́ wò yìí? Ọṣẹ tẹ́ wò yìí kò ń ṣọṣẹ lásán o. Kò ń ṣe àwàká ẹ̀ta supermarket and go buy am, no. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ wò yìí. Fún àwọn tí wọn ò bá like àwọn ọṣẹ tá ti pò pọ̀ síke ni mo ṣe ní eléyìí. Tẹ́ bá gbọ́ iṣẹ́ tó gbásíkì, òun làwọn iṣẹ́ tẹ́ wò lọ́wọ́ mi. Àwọn iṣẹ́ ìwé wà lóríṣiríṣi. Kí ni wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ fún? Ìṣẹ́gun. Oríṣiríṣi ogun ló wà láyé tá lè kà tán. Àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ wá lè lò láti fi ṣe àwọn oríṣiríṣi ogun yẹn ó wà níbí o. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti lọ face immigration tó jẹ́ pé kò kí rọgbọ. Ohun tẹ́ lè lò láti fi bá ìyọnú òyìnbó àti èèyàn dúdú pàdé ó máa wà lọ́dọ̀ Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwaṣọ. Ẹ máa bọ̀ wá sí Lady K spiritual store. Kẹ́ wá order nǹkan tẹ́ bá fẹ́ fún iṣẹ́ àmì àti iṣẹ́ ìyanu Jésù ọmọ Ọlọ́run nínú ayé yín. Ajẹ́bídán tó confirm. Àwọn iṣẹ́ mi ọkùnrin lò, obìnrin lò. Ìwọ tó ń wáyàwó, ìwọ tó lè lò wà, ìwọ tó ń wọ́kọ̀ tó lè lò wà. Àbí ìwọ tó tẹ̀ ti wà nínú relationship tí relationship yẹn tó ti ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ báyìí. Ohun tó máa lò tó máa sọ di ìṣó àti àmà tó máa fi stand by tó máa dúró re tí òfin ní ṣí nídìí. Ó wà lọ́dọ̀ Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwaṣọ. Ohun tó máa lò fún aṣínà ọlà, aṣínà àánú, ẹ̀yọ́nú, ìbùkún, cool money. Ó wà lọ́dọ̀ Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwaṣọ. Business yìí tó máa lọ fà. Àwọn nǹkan tajà tẹ́lẹ̀ lò, àwọn nǹkan awọ́rò tẹ́lẹ̀ lò. Ó wà lọ́dọ̀ Lady K Ìfẹ́ Olúwaṣọ. Fáfàdé yìí tẹ́ bá nídìí iṣẹ́ lóríṣiríṣi. Iṣẹ́ kún ibi báyìí kì í ṣe gbogbo ẹni mo lè kà lórí social media because ohun tá a bá fi pamọ́ ló níyì. Ohun tí a bá fi pamọ́ òun ló níyì. Any spiritual problem tẹ́ bá face àbí any spiritual items tẹ́ bá need, ẹ pè mí kájọ ṣe kíni, kájọ fi orúkọ Jésù tá fi pẹ̀lú àwọn iṣẹ́ lóríṣiríṣi. Orúkọ Jésù tí máa fi gbé iṣẹ́ fún yín tí ẹ dẹ̀ máa rí títóbi ìyanu Ọlọ́run tí mo bá sọ fún yín wípé agbára yẹn wà síbẹ̀. Agbára tí kò yí padà. Agbára Jésù ọmọ Ọlọ́run. Ó confirm ó mú yes. Gbogbo òkè ṣòro yín yẹn ló máa dìpẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń bà yín lẹ́rù yẹn ló máa dohun tẹ́ ní rí mọ́. Tẹ́ máa ní testimony, tẹ́ máa gbégbá ọpẹ́. Bí mo ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yìí mo tún rántí àwọn tó ní testimony tí wọ́n dẹ̀ rí. Kì í ṣe gbogbo aṣọ lèèyàn gbọdọ̀ sá lóhùn. Ìwọ tó bá ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́, o gbọ́dọ̀ máa kó ẹnu ní ìjánu kì í ṣe àkọlé mọ̀ wípé àwọn iṣẹ́ mi ṣiṣẹ́ jẹ́ kí n gbé wọn lọ sórí social media no that is why sometimes gan mo máa ń rọra fi polówó ọjà ni because kì í ṣe gbogbo nǹkan ló yẹ ká máa gbé sí social media bí ẹbẹ́ lè sọ wípé àṣírí olúwa wà pẹ̀lú àwọn ènìyàn títí ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àṣírí olúwa ó wà pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn títí ẹ̀ so èyí tẹ́ bá ní àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ lè lò fún spiritual items ẹ pé Lady K ìfẹ́ olúwa ṣọ tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ àwọn lọ́fíńdà náà ní akílẹ̀ tọ́wọ́n kó sí mi lẹ́nu báyìí ṣé mo tó ń ṣe mí ṣe ṣàṣírí yẹn fún ìkọ́kọ́ ló ń ṣe mí tí kí ẹ bá ti ṣe mí bàbá máa kó sí mi lẹ́nu ni èyí tẹ́ bá ní àwọn lọ́fíńdà lóríṣiríṣi ẹ pè mí ó lè Michael wà Divine Grace wà Miss Paris wà Back to Sender wà Ọ̀nàlá wà 77 wà àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ lóríṣiríṣi bákan náà yìí tẹ́ bá nídìí omi tẹ́lẹ̀ máa mix mọ́ omi ìwẹ̀yìn omi ìṣẹ́gun omi course breaker ẹ pè mí àbí tẹ́lẹ̀ máa fi mọ́bùlẹ̀ ṣọ́ọ̀bù yín àbí tẹ́lẹ̀ máa wọ́n sínú yàrá yín láti lé àwọn ẹ̀mí àjòjì tó máa ń bá ní rìnrìn àjò lọ́gànjọ́ òru ẹ̀mí àjòjì tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dín láńlọ́ọ̀dù tó bá ti dọ̀gànjọ́ òru nígbà tí ènìyàn bá ti sùn tán báìbù kan sọ ó ní nígbà tí ènìyàn sùn ọ̀tá rẹ̀ wá ó sì wá fọ́ ipò sínú àlìkámà gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀mí àjòjì bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ohun tẹ́lẹ̀ lò láti fi ṣí wọn lọ́wọ́ iṣẹ́ láti fi lé wọn dànù pé wá kò sáyè fún ẹbí àwọn nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ lò sí inú ilé tó confam ó wà available lọ́dọ̀ Lady K ìfẹ́ olúwa 2 àdúrà gbogbo wa gba ojú òtí ìrètí wa ẹ̀yin tó bá sì jẹ́ pé orí sísítẹ́ẹ̀mù náà lẹ ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ àwọn iṣẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ lò ó ti yé yín mi ò ní fi gbogbo ẹnu pé àwọn iṣẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ lò tàdúrà yín máa gbà tẹ́ máa ṣe kí ni tẹ́ máa rí owó ńláńlá owó tó dẹ́rù bó ṣe tọkàn yẹn balẹ̀ cool money ó ṣe kí ni ó wà lọ́dọ̀ Lady K ìfẹ́ olúwa ṣò ojú òní tí wà àdúrà gbogbo wa gbà lágbára ọlọ́run àjọ ní testimony àjọ rí àánú gbà ẹ má gbàgbé àwọn aṣọ new ones ti dé tí mo fi ń polówó láti ibi jọ́ mélòó bíbá ẹyọ owó kan ló ṣẹ́kù aṣọ yìí ẹyọ owó kan ṣọ́ òun láṣọ ìṣẹ́kù òun ní lẹ́yìn yẹn àwọn aṣọ wà ìwà àti bùbá wà lace wà damask wà aṣọ òkè wà mi ìfẹ́ dìde sókè ẹ má bínú bá dìde sókè báyìí gbogbo dì mí lẹ́ máa rí bọ́mbà mo wọ̀ so àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ lè lò lọ́lọ́kọ̀ òjọ̀kan gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣáà ló wà níbà lọ́dọ̀ Lady K ìfẹ́ olúwa ṣọ àdúrà gbogbo wa gbà ní ṣàṣẹ tí a ní ṣubú fọ̀tayọ̀ aburú ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa ibi ò ní dé bá wa lórúkọ Jésù gbogbo wa ráàánú gbà gbogbo ibi tí bàtà ti ta wá lẹ́sẹ̀ ọlọ́ba àbọ̀ òró tura sí ẹ má bá wọn jàjẹ́ sí o ọlọ́run ló dá gbogbo wa àti ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àtàfà àti pásítọ̀ ọlọ́run kan ṣoṣo tí ò pé méjì òun ló dá wa ẹ bá mi subscribe sí YouTube channel mi ẹ bá mi fún ètò yìí síta káwọn èèyàn lè mọ the reason why tí a fi ń wá sórí ètò tá a fi ń ṣe gbogbo ilé ẹ ṣé gan mo dúpẹ́ ire o.